We're totally integrated with the feed that they get fed, to the handling, to the care, the genetics. My name is Chad Basinger. I live in Pretty Prairie, Kansas, and my wife and I run Basinger Land Cattle.
We have around 300 head of cattle. All beef is born and raised on our farm from birth until it's processed and finished. So we kind of set ourselves apart from the local meat markets that way. We know how it's raised, how it's fed, how it's handled for its entire life.
The buyers, I guess, like the black-hided, red-hided cattle, but it's more so the genetics behind these cattle, the ones that are easy fleshing, easy doing, ones that want to work for me, that I don't have to pump a bunch of inputs into them.
A lot of that stuff, they don't need the extra hormones or the extra additives to make it a great beef. A lot of people sell quarters of beef or steaks and roasts, but our value-added products like our summer sausage and our snack sticks and our jerky help set us apart from the other meat markets down the road or the other local producers that might do the same thing as us.
Being a first-generation farmer, I'm not sure how I got the bug. My grandparents farmed, uncle still farms. You have to enjoy doing it because it's not an 8-to-5 job. You might stick in 100 hours in a week pretty easily at times.
American AgCredit has helped us quite a bit in our farming operation, specifically with some of our land investments.
We kind of started with nothing and kind of been growing along the way. American AgCredit always came back and had a good interest rate, had a good package put together for us, and they've helped us grow our operation to where it is today and hopefully continue to help grow our operation.
Everyone wants to know about their beef. Where did it come from? How is it handled? They just want beef, and that's what we want to give them. We want to give them beef that's great tasting, has great flavor, and kind of represents us and our family and how we do things, and we want to provide that for our customers.
The beef that goes on your plate's all born and raised on our farm. They're raised on our ground, they're raised on our crops. We're giving the consumer what they want, and that helps fuel our batteries or recharge our batteries to keep doing what we're doing.